suggest a seasonal beer, something like Great Lakes Oktoberfest, or what's coming up is the Great Lakes Christmas sale. They have a unique spicing of flavor, or if you like something with more of a beer taste, you could try like a citrus sweet, like a Blue Moon. If you don't like a beer taste, we might recommend a tea beer. Wild Ohio has a couple to choose from. Such flavors as blueberry or black cherry. For a beer enthusiast, we might suggest the Hazy IPA. There's so many out there with a very different flavors. Also trying Evil Genius, or There's No Crying in Baseball, which is a mango hazy IPA. Weirdest flavor, I might suggest Blake's El Chavo, which is a mango habanero cider. It's spicy and sweet, and also tastes lovely floated on top of Guinness if you like to mix it up a little bit. Also, you could do Dos Equis, hints of lime with salt. It's already in the can, so it's all ready to go. An IPA will probably get you to where you want to go quickly. A good one to recommend is Mommy Bay's Glass Hopper. It's a decent price and it also has a great ABV as well. We always love suggesting our signature lamb burger, which is delicious, and it goes great with a pint of a nice pour of Stella Artois.